Hello, so today I got this crunch, right? In a power zone, 1500 watts max power, one channel it is. So very good thing when you look at it on a power section is a 8 gauge. So it looks right. Has 440 amperes, 440 amperes. You can put your DVC cables slot in. That's 8 gauge to the 4 gauge, I think. So why I'm making a video, because on my previous video asked guys about this amp. So this amp was belong to a seller which have a warranty or policy, policy to fund. So I did test it out. At the moment, all this signal input and the remote came out. You can really see what kind signal gain has. And so I did very research on this amp. On the power rails, you get both sides rails. It has 50 N on 6. They have 10 10. Not they may make 20. Then you get 2 transformer on in this side. Right? You come in on the section of it. Then you have another 10 of 50 N on 6. Right? So 50 N on 6 top end, another 10 of 50 N on 6 on bottom. And whatsoever, when I use on this amp on a power DVCs, right, the watch is not getting max, getting overrated watts on my DVC subs, meaning DVC dual voice coils. Yeah, that's why I want to make the video, and that was now lately. We in 29 September 2022, and this is 15 years old amp. And something really cool about it. Always 15 years old amp, right? Every screws, every bolts still replaced beside this panel, right? So it has a called QC Pass sticker and a warranty seal. Boom. So nothing was tampered, wasn't broken. You can see right there, guys. It's no longer an amp, an open amp. So this is my policy back to the seller. And you can see powered by Maxsonic. And I'm very, very neat. So, boring girls, I didn't open this amp. I never tampered the seal. I never abused the amp. Right? What going back on for cash refund? Because I'm not happy how this amp pushing out on my DVC subwoofers. The sub I got is Sounddown Audio. Is that serious? So that's why I'm making this video in the past. You can go back to my past. You can see. Thank guys. If you like this video, hit a thumb up and leave a comment below. For more videos, please subscribe. And guys, see you guys later. Cheers. Bye bye.